I injured my shoulder last year in the gym and it steadily got worse. I was looking for somebody who could help me overcome the problems of my frozen shoulder. I'm very nervous about going to the gym, very nervous about using any equipment. Anything that could cause my shoulder pain or harm, I've been avoiding. It's consolidating what Jason's been teaching me over recent weeks, but it's also reaffirmed for me that I need to keep doing this. I need to do something every day. I just look forward to regaining some flexibility of my body, being able to get in and out of my wife's small car easier, and just simple things like that. Jason is very easygoing and relaxed. He's non-judgmental, non-critical. He assesses what the need is and he focuses on that and works at the pace that I'm comfortable with.